Hey guys, welcome back to Basically Joyful. My name's Rachel. Today I'm going to continue to show you some of my favorite brushes and how I use them. So stick around to see more. Okay, so I'm going to show you two ways that I contour. So I have more of a daytime highlight and contour, and then I have more of a nighttime, how you can take your daytime look to a nighttime look. So I'll be showing you all both of those along with the brushes that I use. So I start out with these three brushes. This is a BS Mall face angle brush. It is really dense and nicely, I like the way the bristles are packed together. It's really good for blending out your highlight and your contour. This is from a Brush Master set that I got. I will link everything in the video so that you can see. And then this is just an e.l.f. concealer brush that you can get at Walmart or Target. I'm gonna start off with my white concealer here. Now I use white concealer from Senegence just because I like the way it works. And I put the white everywhere I want to highlight. And I'm gonna look like a goofball for a little bit. So white brings light, which is why I want to accent. I want to put it everywhere I want it to bring out. And I don't want this area to be dark. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with my deep concealer here. You want to stay as close to your hairline as possible. And then you bring it in on your cheekbone. I know a lot of people will go and they'll bring their contour all the way to here, but you really want your contour to stay back here so that it doesn't make your face look sunken in. So I say stop right where your eye is. Put it here too because it helps poke your bottom lip out to give it more of a pouty look. We're gonna combat this double chin thing we got going on. Anywhere you want to go back, that is where you're gonna put the dark. Aren't they beautiful? So that was, I just used my Brush Master brush and just painted where I wanted it. Now I have my foundation. So I take this BS Mall face angled brush and I just start blending. And I do everything in a stipple. So I really like doing this for everyday look because I've already gotten my highlight, my contour, and my foundation on. I can go in with my blush, my eyeshadow, and just go on with my day. I really do like this brush for how well it stipples, how it's packed on, and it's angled so you can get like up in here, and then for when you're doing down here. Now I'm gonna show y'all how I step up my highlight and contour for a more deep night look. As you can see, I took and put my highlight everywhere where I want to brighten. So I just blended you can use concealer, whatever you use to highlight. I use Shadow Sense in Sandstone Pearl from Senegence, but whatever you use, I put that down, V here, I highlight here, and on my nose and on my Cupid's bow. So then I take my contour color, and I am using my Morphe E34. I just got this in from my subscription. I will link that also if you want to subscribe to the Morphe brushes. So I pay $20 a month, and they send me like 3 to 5 brushes every month, and this was last month, and I really like it. And as you can see, I'm still trying to stay as close to my hairline so that it brings your cheeks in back here, not right here. Okay, my last step of highlight and contour, especially when I'm going for a dramatic night look, is to add some iridescent pearly shimmer. I use Pearlizer from Senegence, and I'm using my Morphe E61 brush. This also came in the monthly subscription. So I just took a little bit of Pearlizer. Now it's time for mascara and lips. These are some of the brushes that I have gotten so far from my Morphe subscription. I will make sure to link it below so you can go join in on the fun. Hey guys, thanks so much for checking out my video today on how I highlight and contour using some of my favorite brushes. All of the brushes and products I used in this video will be linked in the comments. So check out some and let me know if you have tried them and how you like them. Make sure you also subscribe to our channel so that you can see other videos that are coming up. I'm thinking beauty blenders.